Picture yourself in the 2019 Chevrolet Colorado. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 70,000 miles on the odometer. The Chevrolet Colorado, the midsize pickup that makes your off-road adventures fun, safe, and comfortable. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: backup camera, V6 cylinder engine, Bluetooth connection, power driver seat, rear-wheel drive, stability control, 8-speed AT, traction control, tow hitch, temporary spare tire. Have fun, drive smart, get the job done. Count on the Colorado.